First question says factorize completely. The equation we have is x cube minus 25x. So as you can see, between x cube and 25x, we have x common. So when you take x common outside, we'll have x squared minus 25 inside the bracket. Now, if you remember difference of perfect squares, difference of perfect squares. So that says a square minus b square equals to a plus b times a minus b. As you can see, x is being squared and 25 is 5 squared. So x squared minus 5 squared is difference of perfect squares. So this can be rewritten as x minus 5 times x plus 5. This is your fully factorized answer. Next question says the square of w is 5. Write in the value of w to the power of 5. So if square of w is 5, w would be plus minus square root of 5. Because like when you take a square root of the value, you always get a positive and a negative value. So it wants us to find the value of w to the power of 5, which is basically w being multiplied to itself 5 times. So that's root 5 times root 5 times root 5 times root 5 and times root 5, which is basically 25 times 25 times root 5. Now we know square root of 25 is 5 because 25 is a square number. So that's 5 times 5 times root 5, and that is 25 root 5. As we said, root 5 is positive and a negative number. So the other value of w to the power of 5 would be negative 25 root 5. So these two are your values of w to the power of 5. Next it says find the probability of b given a. Probability of b given a would be the probability of the intersection between a and b divided by a probability of a. So that's going to be 12 over 6 plus 12, which is 12 over 18. And that can be simplified to 2 over 9. Next question says there are 9 students in class A and 16 students in class B. Class A and class B sat a test. The mean score for the 9 students in class A was Y, and the mean score for all 25 students was 72. Find an expression in terms of Y for the mean score for the students in class B. So 9 students in class A and 16 students in class B. So for A, sum of scores in A divided by the number of students, which is 9, and this equals to the mean value, which is Y. Sum of scores for A would equal to 9Y. Now we know the mean score for all 25 students was 72. So sum of A plus sum of B equals to 25 because 9 plus 16 is 25. And the total mean is 72. So that's going to be Y plus sum of B equals to 72 times 25. So sum of B would be 1800 minus Y. So now to find the expression for the mean scores for the students in class B, we will divide 1800 minus Y by 16. So this is going to be 1800 minus Y over 16. That is your expression for the mean score for the students in class B. Then it says the curve has equation y equals to ax squared plus bx plus c. The curve crosses the x-axis at 3, 0, and 4, 0, and crosses the y-axis at 0, 12. Find the value of A, B, and C. So since these are the x-intercepts, x minus 3 times x minus 4 equals to 0. If we expand this, that's going to be x squared minus 4x minus 3x plus 12. X squared minus 7x plus 12 equals to 0. So as you can see, A is 1, which is the coefficient of x squared. B is negative 7, which is the coefficient of x. And C, which is the constant, and the y-intercept is 12. And that is your answer.